Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cake Factory. I'm your host, Sambal Shazadi. Today, we are bringing you one of the most enhancing cake trends of 2025 edible flower pressed cake. Elegant, eco chic, and full of charm. Let's begin. The first one is minimal white cake with daisy pressed. We begin with the minimalist daisy delight. Delight white daisies are gently pressed into a smooth white buttercream, giving a fresh, original look. Perfect for bridal showers, picnics, or intimate weddings. The next is lavender and pansy mix. Next up, a dream of mix of lavender and edible pansies. Contrast of soft purple shades with vibrant yellow pastels creates a romantic garden feel. These pressed flowers look hand painted, yet they are completely real. The next is rustic neck cake with funs. For rustic lovers, check this out. This semi neck cake feathers, pressed ferns, and wildflowers for a wonder woodland aesthetic. It's a beautiful option for boho weddings or outdoor receptions. The next is wildflower meadow design. Let's go bold. This cake is like a meadow in spring, like sunflower, violet, camel, and coniflower covering every inch. Colorful, vibrant, and magical. The next is vibrant pressed floral stripes. For a more modern touch, try vertical pressed flower stripes. Clean lines of edible blooms give this cake a structured yet natural vibe. Perfect for elegant garden, wedding, or upscale events. The next is edible rose petals and gold leaf. This cake combines pressed rose petal and gold leaf, creating a romantic and luxurious finish. Soft pink buttercream add warmth, while the petal give it a timeless vintage vibe. The next is greenery and herb accent cake. Don't forget herbs. Rosemary, thyme, and mint add a beautiful structure, texture, and aroma. This earthly style is great for natural inspired or eco themed cake events. The next is Ombre Floral Fate. Ombre is not just for colors, it for worked with flowers too. Pressed bloom in gradient shade create a stunning fade effect. It's soft, aesthetic, and visually striking. The next is pressed floral or buttercream ruffles. Combine textures for extra wow. This design used ruffled buttercream layers as a base with tiny blossoms delightfully pressed in between. It's whimsical and romantic. The next is monochrome flower cake. Stick to one color for maximum impact. This cake features only blue edible flower on a crisp white canvas, striking and sophisticated, great for themed parties or baby boy showers. Tips for working with pressed flower. Always use organic, pesticide free edible flower. Gently press them flat using parchment and book before placing. Use clean tweezer to apply on soft buttercream. Light press in and don't bury them. Edible flowers are not just decoration, they tell a story. Each one is fresh, floral, and full of personality. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comment, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing ideas, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any sweet idea. Thank you for watching Cakes Factory. Hope so you enjoyed this video. And if you like any idea, take a screenshot of it and save with them. And or also share that idea to your favorite person or baker to bake a cake like this for you for the coming your special event. To create your cake, bake your cake for that event to make your smile and your event more mesmerizing and amazing. Where cakes bloom with creativity, that is only Cakes Factory. So you never miss any update. See you in the next. Goodbye.